If you want a bigger chest, greater upper body strength, and a more balanced physique, this workout was built for you. In the next few minutes, I'm walking you through 5 effective chest exercises that will help you build real size, strength, and definition. No fluff, no wasted reps, just the work that actually moves the needle. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Motivate Tom. Today we're focusing on the chest, one of the most important muscle groups when it comes to building real upper body strength and a powerful, complete physique. A well-developed chest doesn't just enhance how you look, it directly improves your pushing strength and carries over into almost every athletic movement you make. If you're ready to build a stronger, more powerful chest, let's get straight into it. The barbell bench press is the king of chest exercises, and for good reason. Nothing builds overall chest size and raw strength quite like it. Lower the bar under control, stay tight, and press it back up with explosive power. But never sacrifice form for speed. Every rep should be clean, controlled, and intentional. Master this lift and everything else in your chest day becomes easier. The incline dumbbell press is your secret weapon for the upper chest, the area that gives your chest that full, complete shape most people overlook. Lower those dumbbells slowly, feel the stretch, then press them back up with full control. No bouncing, no rushing the bottom, just smooth, deliberate reps. Nail this movement and your chest will start looking more balanced from every angle. Push-ups are proof that you don't need a gym to build a strong chest. This classic bodyweight movement hits your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once, and it's just as effective as ever when done right. Keep your body locked in a straight line from head to heels. Lower yourself with full control, and resist the urge to rush. That controlled descent is where the real muscle engagement happens. Simple, brutal, and effective every single time. Dumbbell flies are all about isolation. This is where your chest does the work. No shortcuts, no other muscles stepping in to help. Lower the dumbbells slow and controlled. Chase that deep stretch at the bottom. Then bring them back up and squeeze your chest hard at the top of every rep. That stretch and squeeze combination is exactly what sharpens muscle definition over time. Feel it, control it, and your chest will show the difference. Chest dips are one of the best moves for carving out that lower chest, the part that gives your chest a sharp, complete finish. While you're at it, your shoulders and triceps get put to work too. The key here is your body angle. Lean slightly forward as you dip, and that small adjustment shifts the emphasis straight onto your chest instead of letting your triceps take over. Control the descent, drive back up with power, and let that lower chest do the talking. Consistency will always beat intensity. That's the truth nobody wants to hear, but it's the one that actually builds results. You don't need to destroy yourself every single session. What you need is proper form, progressive overload, and the recovery your body actually needs to grow. Show up week after week, stay committed to the process, and your chest won't just get bigger, it will get stronger, in a way that lasts. The work you keep showing up for is the work that pays off. If this workout added value to your training, hit that subscribe button and join the Motivate Tom family. Every week, we bring you more fitness, strength, and real transformation content built for people who are serious about showing up. Keep training hard, stay disciplined, trust the process, and I will see you in the next workout. Let's get it.